Assalamu alaikum, you're watching Art with Kiran Salman. Today you will learn how to make bee with empty bottle. Required materials for this work are a small yellow bottle, craft pipe cleaner black in color, black acrylic paint, paper tape, 2 yellow beads, A4 yellow paper and butter paper for wings. In first step, wrap the tape around the bottle 2 to 3 times with some distance. Apply black paint on the open areas of the bottle, including bottle lid, and let it dry. In the meantime, prepare wings. Take butter paper and fold it into half and draw a wing of a bee with light tone of pencil, or use silver color pencil if you have. Add some lines to show veins in the wings. Flip the paper and trace the same wings on the other side of the paper with details. Now cut the drawn wings carefully. Take yellow paper, fold it also into half. Draw a little bit bigger wing than the butter paper one and cut. It's time to remove tape carefully. If you don't have a yellow bottle, you can apply yellow acrylic paint just like black color. Take yellow wing first, bend small part from bottom side, apply glue and paste on the bottle. Now repeat same with butter paper wings for pasting. Take crafting pipe cleaner and roll around the bottle and tie. Insert beads on the both edges and fix it with the glue. But you need to be very careful while working with the hot glue gun. Make a smiley face of the bee on the lid part with white paint or with white marker. Cute bee craft is ready. That's it for today. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.